Good morning, and today we have with us Michelle, and she's going to visit with us about what makes her happy and what are the things that you can do to make you well.
Well, I am obviously here at the pool this morning as one of the managers here, so something that helps me to be happy and well when I'm here early in the mornings, just simple things like having, my coffee mug even, it says stay humble, hustle hard, and just having those little reminders on times when it's challenging to want to get motivated and get going. That's something that's really helpful for me. I have posters in my classroom since I'm also a teacher, and in there I have growth mindset posters actually. So just really easy, simple reminders. Instead of saying this, try saying something different. So for example, I can't do this. Just seeing that poster and reminding myself, I can't do this yet, or I will learn how to do this, or I will get better at this, and I like seeing those visual reminders a lot. That really helps me out.
I see on your shirt you have something. What does it say?
Yes, this one says, kindness is cool at Richmond School. So I'm all about those kinds of things.
Nice visual reminders.
Yes, absolutely.
What other things do you do to keep yourself happy, Michelle?
I would say I just surround myself with my family a lot, and people who are also positive and happy, because I'm someone who can feed off of other emotions a lot too. So if other people around me are kind of sad or upset, then I'll sometimes start to feel that way and do my best to help them try to get back on track. But I do like to surround myself with family and friends because they keep me going, and being around my nephews and my nieces, they're so much younger, and their energy keeps me going too. So,
well, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, and be well, and I hope you have a wonderful school year coming up.
Thank you.
Thank you.